Okay, if you're into LED lighting and you want to create extensions, bends, and turns in your lighting, you definitely want to get a kit like this. This is the ultimate kit that allows you to create angles in your LED lighting super easily with these snappable tags as well. So you can essentially create lighting underneath your counters with your existing lighting, but we can maneuver it all the way around and continue with one continuous strip. It's 10mm in size with 4-pin connectors. With these LED connectors, you can make your room more fun by extending existing LED lighting or creating all sorts of new ones with one single adapter. And this is accomplished by these. So stay tuned for the whole video. I'm going to show you what all these do.
Got these on Amazon. They're LED connectors and spares for adding extensions to your LED lights. Everything comes in here. Basically, you have your male to female, but it's only for the 4-pin non-soldering kit. As you can see, there you go. Right, there's your 4-pin right there. And there's your extensions, right? As you can see, you can add as many LED extensions as you want. You can also use these handy little things, these stickers that come with it, with the metal pieces, to reroute LEDs in different directions and create directions yourself, like so. Right, you just slide these in and clips in, and you shut these and snap them into place, and you'll hear it click, and then you'll have a connection. So I can have one rerouting this way, an LED rerouting this way, and one going that way, depending what you're wrapping the LED around. Here are the other 4-prong connectors. So these are your little, here I'll show you, I'm going to take it out, and they look like this, as you can see. So then obviously you're going to do what I did here, and you're just going to connect it. You're going to do that. And there you have it. Locks into place and it's connected. Anytime you're setting up, easy to remove too, so don't forget that. So this is kind of like what I did with my TV. You can kind of see the underglow, and you can see how I can add another LED if I want here. So again, very handy. So when I buy more LED lights, I'm going to have all these and extras for a little while until I do more LED lights around the house.
And that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one.